Hello, this is Hurrairah and Pulkit for the first time ever on the wrap for Integrate 2025. Pulkit, Australia, Sydney, how are you finding the city?
Oh, absolutely wonderful. I think Sydney has been treating us quite well. Weather is amazing, brilliant. But I actually wanted to ask you, how do you think about the AV market in Australia?
Well, this is the best place to kind of find out what's going on. It's still a very distributor-led market. I think that it's back to its best. We saw a great showing from the Australian AV industry at the Inavate APAC Awards. We're here at the show. All the big distributors are here. Midwich, who's long been a holdout, they've kind of come into the show as well. Amber Technology, Chance, Madison, Audio Brands. Missing quite a lot of other big names, but they're all here. So I would say the market's in robust health and moving forward strongly. This is an exhibition, after all. There is product at the ICC. Pulkit, anything that you've seen, any products or technology that stand out?
Yeah, some of the ones which stood out are JBL Control 400 series. But what about you? Have you?
Before jumping on, I saw the 400 series as well. It's a world premiere. It's the first time it's being showcased anywhere, so it's great to see technology be displayed for the first time here in Asia Pacific, here in Australia. I haven't seen anything as new, but there definitely have been interesting products. The Xilica RoomHub AI, the Xten-AV Xavia agent. So I was kind of leaning towards the AI-enabled AV products, which kind of caught my fancy. I know there's some demos going on, so those would be interesting to check if we get time.
100%.
Sydney's a lovely city, like we said right at the start. You have any plans after the show? You sticking around?
Yeah, definitely. It's time to explore Sydney as well, along with the many friends we have made at Integrate.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You're going to go to the Opera House?
100%.
Well, enjoy that. This is the Inavate team from Integrate 2025 signing off.
Cheers.